Water, the most abundant substance on earth, is a constant presence in our lives. But do we truly understand the mysteries of this remarkable element? Where did it originate? Who bestowed it upon our planet? And why is Earth unique in possessing it? Perhaps only water itself holds the answer to these questions. The volume of water on Earth today remains as it was at the world's inception, despite acquiring the familiar properties we know. In this pursuit, we focus on the peculiar characteristics of water from various angles. While most substances contract when cooled, water behaves differently by expanding. This unique property is why a plant's root can break through asphalt with ease. Water's properties are distinctive and often defy conventional physics, such as its ability to exist in three states liquid, solid, and gas makes Earth the only known planet with this quality. The essence of water, as perceived by researcher Victor Schauberger, is that it is a living substance that can deteriorate when mistreated. Schauberger's belief is that water originates in the forest, falling as rain and filtering through rocks, gathering minerals and trace elements before emerging as a spring. At this stage, water enriched with essential elements that sustain life and its vitality is influenced by how it flows naturally or is forced flow. The journey of water to our homes is long and arduous. In the past, human settlements were established near natural water sources. But nowadays, the presence of water in a location matters less because we transport water over great distances using high pressure systems. In nature, rivers and streams follow smooth curving courses, while man made water systems often include right angle turns that disrupt the natural structure of water. Water in city supply systems may exhibit various crystal forms, but they are typically deformed and lack symmetry or beauty. Factors like the presence of chlorine and complex piping can contribute to this deformation. In many large cities, the water supply operates as a closed loop system, subject to aggressive chemical treatments and powerful filtering. This means that the water we consume may carry traces of chemicals and experiences it has encountered throughout its journey. Dr. Masaru Emoto's research spanned 15 years, with a key finding being the water possesses memory. He exposed water to various external stimuli in his Japanese research laboratory, capturing images of the resulting ice crystals. These images reveal that living water in a good condition forms beautiful hexagonal crystals, whereas water that is unhealthy or dead exhibits dramatic changes in its crystalline structure. Water also reacts differently to various environmental influences, such as computers, televisions, hard rock music, microwave oven, and cell phones. In the quantum world, everything is governed by vibrations and resonance. Small units resonate with each other, confirming their existence through resonance theory. Words and intentions can influence water structure, demonstrating how our thoughts and emotions affect the water itself. Dr. Imato's team conducted experiments exposing water to different words, finding that positive and beautiful words led to delicate and attractive crystal formations, while negative words produced less appealing patterns. By employing a tonoscope, which exposes water to sound frequencies, various structural patterns emerge as the frequency increases. At specific frequency threshold, the patterns transform into new, more complex resonant structures. Water, humans, and plants respond similarly to resonant energy, with the potential to harness this energy for significant effects. Water is highly receptive to emotional and vibrational currents, especially those of love. Our emotions and thoughts have a direct impact on our central nervous system and the entire body through the circulatory and vegetative systems. The concept that human emotions are akin to water is echoed by the great artist Leonardo da Vinci, who believed that emotions and their flow within the body determines one's character. In 1956, in a secretive military laboratory, dedicated to weapons development, a bacteriological weapon was under discussion when an unusual event occurred. The participants fell ill with severe food poisoning, which couldn't be initially explained. The only common factor was the water they consumed, which was tested and found to contain no harmful additives and had a chemical composition of H2O. 20 years later, the hypothesis of water having memory emerged, potentially explaining its unpredictable behavior. Experiments worldwide demonstrated that water can receive and record external influences, effectively acting as a memory bank for its surroundings. This concept led to the use of structured water as a powerful antibiotic. Water structure, not just its chemical composition, was deemed essential. Modern instruments revealed that water's memory cells consist around 440,000 information panels, each responsible for different interactions with the environment. Water structure can react to various stimuli, storing information like a computer memory. Water's adaptability and memory are fundamental to understanding its role in our lives. Research has shown that human emotions, both positive and negative, significantly influence water structure. Love and tenderness enhance water's energy levels, while aggressive emotions diminish energy and create drastic changes. Water's response to human emotions implies that our thoughts and emotions impact the water within us. Water's memory also has implications for the quality of the water we consume. Water transported through conventional distribution systems often loses its natural structure and acquires negative information from the environment. Water's exposure to various substances and energies changes its structure, which can have negative effects on the health of those who consume it. Natural spring water, with its inherent energies, is preferred by animals and is a healthier choice. Additionally, studies revealed that water can burn, emitting heat and light. Water's burning process is gradual due to its continuous activation of oxygen, which may also explain its role in the body and in the formation of DNA and proteins. Furthermore, water's ability to record and transmit information has intriguing implications. Experiments showed that water from different sources, even if separated by significant distance, can acquire similar structure properties, suggesting remote communication between water molecules and potentially between individuals. The global water crisis is a significant concern, with billions lacking access to safe drinking water. Inadequate water supply can lead to international conflicts, making it a valuable resource. Our interactions with water and the environment leave lasting imprints, affecting not only individuals but also the entire ecosystem. Water's sensitivity to emotions and thoughts suggests that positive interactions and gratitude can have a profound impact. Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiments with water crystals reveal that words and intentions can influence water structure. This insight can be applied to our daily lives, emphasizing the importance of positive words and actions. Water is a remarkable element with unique properties, and its behavior is influenced by external factors, including human emotions and thoughts. Understanding and respecting water's memory and its role in our lives can lead to more responsible use and potentially improved health and well-being. Now let's look into Sadhguru's video where he talks about water.
In the world, we are building medical infrastructure in such a way that today all of us are expecting someday we will all be seriously ill. It need not be so. If you live with Narmada ji, it need not be so. And not just her, there are many others. It need not be so if you know how to manage the elements, if not all of them. It's very easy to bring water and air into your control. These are two elements which are easily accessible. If you do this combination well and little conscious about what you consume, you will never go to the doctor. There was a time, for the whole town there used to be one doctor and it was enough. Today every street has 5 doctors and it's not enough. This shows how we're living. When we forget how to live, when we do not respect what makes our life, the earth that we walk upon, air that we breathe, water that we drink, the very sky that holds us in place, when we have no respect and reverence for that, how they behave within us is very different. Today there is substantial scientific evidence to show that water has tremendous memory. If you just generate a thought looking at the water, the molecular structure of the water will change. Just a look, the molecular structure of the water will change. If you touch it, it will change. How you touch it is very important. So now for example, they're keeping it in a copper vessel with a flower on top of it, because this is the God. What other God? If you don't drink water for one day, this is the only God, no other God, isn't it? So, how you treat the water, the memory remains for a long period. So before we consume it or before it touches our body, how we treat the water changes the quality of everything in our system. This is a science we have always known, but today modern science has done enormous amount of experimentation on this. Now they're saying water is a liquid computer. The volume of memory and intelligence it carries by itself. It is a liquid computer, this is what they're saying, it's a fluid computer. We have always known this. What is called as tirth, why for one drop of water people go and stand in a temple, is because it has the memory of the divine. You want to take that into your system. If the deity is powerful and the water has touched the deity, it has the memory of the divine, you want that to enter your system. But being in a pure space like this, it's a blessing. But there are certain ways with which you can be in the water. If one does that, every ailment, all chronic ailments will go. There are infectious diseases and chronic ailments. Infectious diseases are an invasion from outside. Other organisms are entering our body and troubling us. For this you need a doctor. You need warfare. You have to bomb them out. Chemical warfare is normally what we're doing. But over 70% of human ailments are self-help. We manufacture that within our system. This is simply because fundamentally, the way we are treating the elements within ourselves and around ourselves. The so-called modern life has absolutely no reverence to the substances which make our life. The life-making material is being treated badly and we're expecting it'll behave well within us and it will not. So being here at Narmada, it's time we bring back this culture because it's gone a full circle. Now modern science is insisting that water, the way you treat it is the way it's going to behave within you. And we must learn to treat it well. If we want to be healthy, if we want to be well, if we want to be successful, if you want to be prosperous, for all these things it's important the elements within you cooperate. If they don't cooperate, nothing will work. One simple thing you could do is how you treat the water, at least the water that you consume. I know today everybody is drinking water from plastic bottles. If you keep it in a metal vessel, particularly copper or copper alloy, the very nature of the water will change. And traditionally, I don't know if it's still maintained in this part of the country, but in southern India, even now it's pretty common in traditional homes where every day there is a puja for the water vessel. They will put some vibhuti on it, some kumkum on it, and there's a small arati for the thing because the water should… water has a enormous amount of memory, it remembers how you have treated and accordingly it'll behave. This is something very simple, everybody can start. Copper is such a… it's the best conducting metal and it energizes the water. Energizing, if you check the if you check the chemical composition, it'll not change. That is the beauty of it. It's only the molecular structure of the water that will change. You might have experienced this, suppose you ever… is there a waterfall in Narmada anywhere? there's a waterfall. If the water is falling like, let's say, over 20-25 feet, and just after the waterfall, if you just touch the water, you will find water is silky for touch. Have you noticed this? Because water implodes within itself and the molecular structure changes. The way it feels is different. Today, they have created what is called as water imploding machines. You can implode the water with a machine, it just churns it in a certain way and implodes it. It has been found that if you use water imploding machines, with 10% of the water, you can grow the plants the same way as you're growing. The water consumption will come down. With 10% of water, the plants will yield the same, because the imploded water becomes silky and its ability to become a part of the plant system or tree is much, much better. So, if you're in agriculture, imploding machines can come. It's… some people have patented it in UK. We are trying to bring some machines and give this service to the local farmers in Tamil Nadu so that people can use imploded water and their water consumption in the fields will come down dramatically, because how long you pump the water, electricity not being free these days, it gets very expensive for the farmer. If the amount of water he needs to pump on his field is much less, it'll make a big difference. For daily consumption, just a copper vessel, every day if you have something, if you light a lamp next to it, if necessary, just one flower, the very way the water behaves within you will change. And when before you consume just one moment of gratitude and reverence, because this is the material with which you're making your life, not with some unknown god. This is the material that makes your life every moment. And how you treat it is very important in your emotion, in your thought. If you hold water as… if you don't even have to think Devi stuff, you just understand the reality. The fact of it is, without it you cannot survive. Yes? Whatever is the basis of your survival, you bow down, isn't it? So the water, the food, just bringing that reverence, you will see the volume that you consume will also come down and the way it behaves within you will come down. If you don't catch an infection, if you treat these elements properly, as I said earlier, most probably you won't see a doctor's face unless you're one.